Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. There are 12 months in a year. January is the first month. February is the second month. March comes after February. April is in spring. May is a beautiful month. June is the sixth month. July is very hot. August comes after July. September is month number 9. October is in autumn. November is getting cold. December is the last month. Which month is your birthday? My birthday is in January. Her birthday is in March. His birthday is in October. When is your birthday? Is your birthday in summer? My sister's birthday is in May. We celebrate New Year in January. Valentine's Day is in February. Spring starts in March. April has 30 days. Mother's Day is in May. Summer begins in June. July is my favorite month. Many people travel in August. School starts in September. Halloween is in October. November is Thanksgiving month. Christmas is in December. I like warm months. She doesn't like cold months. Do you prefer winter or summer? January is cold and snowy. February is a short month. February has 28 days. Sometimes February has 29 days. March is windy. April brings rain and flowers. May has nice weather. June is warm and sunny. We go swimming in July. August is hot in my country. September weather is getting cooler. October has beautiful red leaves. November days are short. December is dark and cold. I love all 12 months. What month is it now? Today is the 1st of March. Yesterday was the last day of February. Next month will be April. Last month was January. This month is going very fast. We are in the middle of June. School ends at the end of May. Summer vacation starts in July. The new year begins in January. I started my job in September last year. My wedding was in June 2 years ago. They will visit us in December. We are planning a trip in August. She is going to graduate in May. The weather changes every month. January brings snow to our city. In February, people buy chocolates and flowers. March is when spring flowers start growing. April rain helps the plants grow. May is perfect for outdoor activities. Many weddings happen in June. July is Independence Day in America. August is the last month of summer. Students buy school supplies in September. October nights are getting longer. In November, leaves fall from trees. December is the holiday season. Which month do you like best? I don't like January because it's cold. My favorite month is May. He loves December because of Christmas. We enjoy going to the beach in July. They don't like the rainy months. Do you travel during the summer months? My family always meets in December. The company has meetings every month. I pay my rent at the beginning of each month. She visits her parents once a month. We have a birthday party every month. January 1st is New Year's Day. February 14th is Valentine's Day. People celebrate different holidays each month. In March, we celebrate Women's Day. April 1st is April Fool's Day. May has Memorial Day in the United States. June 21st is the longest day of the year. July 4th is a big holiday in America. August doesn't have many holidays. September has Labor Day at the beginning. October 31st is Halloween night for costumes. In November, Americans celebrate Thanksgiving with family and food. December has Christmas and also the New Year celebration. Every month has about 4 weeks. Some months have 30 days in them, other months have 31 days. February is the only month with fewer days. Children count the months on their fingers. I learned the months when I was young. Can you say all 12 months in order? The year starts with January and ends with December. After December comes January again. The seasons change as the months pass. Winter months are December, January, and February. Spring months are March, April, and May. Summer months are June, July, and August. Fall months are September, October, and November. Different countries have different weather in each month. In Australia, January is a summer month. In Canada, January is very cold and snowy. I will start my English course in September this year. She is going to have a baby in March next year. They got married in June 3 years ago. We moved to this house in October last year. He will finish university in May. My contract ends at the end of August. The project started in January and continues now. We have been working on this since February. I am saving money every month for a vacation. She writes in her journal at the beginning of each month. Do you remember what you did in April? I can't remember what happened in July last year. Next month, we are going to visit my grandmother. Last month, I started going to the gym regularly. This month, I want to read 3 books. The flowers in my garden bloom in different months. Roses bloom in my garden during May and June. The trees lose their leaves in October and November. Snow covers the ground in January and February here. The days get longer from January to June. After June, the days start getting shorter again. I enjoy the long days in June the most. The short days in December make me feel tired. Birds fly south in September and October. They come back in March and April every year. Farmers plant seeds in April and May. They harvest their crops in September and October usually. The beach is crowded in July and August. The mountains are quiet in November and December. I like to go hiking in September. The weather is perfect for hiking in that month. My electricity bill is higher in January and July. We use heating in winter and cooling in summer. Fruits and vegetables are cheaper in certain months. Strawberries are fresh and cheap in May and June. Apples are best in September and October. Oranges are everywhere in December and January. I buy seasonal food every month at the market. The supermarket changes its products each month. Fashion stores bring new collections every few months. Spring clothes arrive in stores in March. Summer clothes are on sale in August. Winter coats appear in stores in October. I bought my winter coat in November last year. She will buy a new dress in May for a wedding. We are going to redecorate our house in April. Many people make New Year's plans in January. Some people break their plans by February. I try to exercise every day of every month. Do you have any goals for next month? My goal this month is to practice English daily. Last month, I practiced English 5 days a week. Next month, I want to practice every single day. Learning takes time and happens month by month. I have been studying English for 6 months now. In 6 more months, I will speak much better. She started learning in January and improved a lot by June. They practice the months of the year every day. Can you write all the months in English now? I can say the months, but I can't spell them all yet. Spelling the months takes practice and time. Some months are easy to spell like May and June. Other months are harder like February and Wednesday. Wait, Wednesday is a day, not a month. The days of the week are different from months. There are 7 days but 12 months. Each month has many weeks inside it. I learn something new every month of my life. This month, I learned about months in English. What will you learn next month? I hope you enjoyed learning about the 12 months. Remember to practice saying them every day. You can use a calendar to help you remember. Look at the calendar and say each month aloud. Soon you will know all the months very well. Then you can talk about dates and plans easily. Knowing the months is important for daily life. You need them for appointments, birthdays, and holidays. Keep practicing and you will remember them all. See you next month for more English practice. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.